Hi everyone, I'm Carlo. How are you doing during quarantine? I know it's taking too long time. I know. What we can do during the quarantine? Well, this is a good question. And the answer is cooking. So in that case, we created our new online event, Cook with Us. Today, we will cook chicken on the pepper. And I'm not here alone. Here is also my girlfriend Eliška.
Hello!
In this table you will find all ingredients which you need. I will ask Eliška to present you our ingredients each one by one, that you will know in Czech and also in English, because when you would like to go buy it, you need to know how it's called in Czech as well.
For chicken on pepper, we will need flour, mocha, pepper.
Pepper like a pepper, black pepper, red pepper, belly pepper, or pepper from the Tony Stark Iron Man.
Pepper like a sweet pepper, sladká paprika.
Okay, in that case it's okay.
Salt, onions, garlic, chicken.
Which kind of chicken does it need to be?
It doesn't matter, but we have a poops.
Actually it's breast, but okay.
Pepper, black pepper, patch, cream.
Which kind of cream?
12% cream, smetana na vaření. And butter.
Okay, I guess that's all. And what about that beer which is here?
Beer, just for me.
Okay, but it was actually mine, but never mind. So firstly we will prepare like the chicken meat. We will make a few slices, as you can see here. Of course, firstly you need to clean the meat. Cut the onions into the half. Is everything okay?
No,
What's happening?
I want to go back to school.
Just don't blame me, you are just cutting the onion. So the next thing is that we'll prepare the cooker and we'll prepare the pot. Into the pot we will insert a little bit of oil. When the oil is heated, we will insert there chicken breasts and we will warm it up from both sides for a short moment until the chicken will become white, and that's enough. The onion into the hot oil and we'll warm it up until the onion will glaze. Now you're not crying, right? Nah, liar. So, are we done?
Yes, we are.
So, we will move it back, okay? Up from the hot pot.
Now
What we will do next?
I will put the sweet pepper.
Okay. Okay, what next?
Next, we will put it back.
Okay. That looks nicer now.
I know.
And a few more?
Salt.
Okay.
And then hot water. Okay, and we have to wait 40 minutes plus minus.
Rishka is preparing now garlic. So please clean the garlic and just cut it into the half. If you have a masher, use it. And let's keep it for boil a little bit time. See you in plus minus 40 minutes. The meat is already boiled and it was after 30 minutes. Now we will drag out from the pot the meat. So, and now we will add here the cream for cooking. I have 12%. We will use half.
This is the best.
We will use half of it.
Next we have to mix it, but we don't have to, but we want. Now we have to boil it.
Okay, so we will wait a little bit more time.
Maybe 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, after a few minutes of boiling, we just put it on the sideway and we will now mix the sauce. Now this step is optional. If you would like to make thickened sauce, you need to prepare the flour and also a cup of water.
Cold water.
Cold water, yeah.
Okay. 1 or 2 spoons of water.
Of flour.
Of flour, sorry. And mix it.
Pour it into the sauce.
Okay, mix it, and again you have to boil it.
Okay. Okay, so now when it's boiled and it's rest, you can just make a small taste if it tastes good or not. You can add salt or pepper, and for the end you can make it for softer. You will add a little bit of butter.
Bon appetit!